A day after the Prime Minister launched the 2019 campaign video online, Narendra Modi has prefixed Chaukidar to his Twitter handle. As I just mentioned, BJP stalwarts like Amit Shah and ministers like Piyush Goyal, amongst others, have also followed suit on their personal handles. Chaukidar Chor Hai, remember, has been a slogan Congress President Rahul Gandhi has been using repeatedly against the PM. Yesterday, Rahul Gandhi mocked the Prime Minister, tweeting a picture of Narendra Modi, seen with Nirav Modi, Mehul Choksi, Anil Ambani and Vijay Mallya, amongst others. The BJP hopes to counter the Congress offensive by directly pitting Modi as the non-corrupt Chaukidar. The hashtag #MainBhiChaukidar has become a global trend on Twitter ever since the campaign video was launched on social media sites yesterday. BJP is also trying to repeat its counter to Congress's Chai Wala Jive in the 2014 Lok Sabha election that had taken place.
Get money out of dishonesty and deals. This is not the culture of the nation. Poor lives with dignity, and that should not be insulted. That is what insult is being heaped upon on the poor people, and therefore BJP not only condemns, we are very sure that people will respond in a democratic way in elections for this abusive and insulting culture which Congress is representing. They get money out of dishonesty and deals. This is not the culture of the nation. Poor lives with dignity, and that should not be insulted. That is what insult is being heaped upon on the poor people, and therefore BJP not only condemns, we are very sure that people will respond in a democratic way in elections for this abusive and insulting culture which Congress is representing.
भ्रष्टाचार हो, मेक इन इंडिया का मट्टी पलीत हो, राष्ट्र की खजाने की राशि एक उद्योगपति के हाथ में चला जाए, रक्षा मंत्रालय के पूरे सिस्टम पर कंट्रोल किया जाए, इन सभी प्रश्नों का कोई जवाब नहीं, और उल्टा कहते हैं कि कहना चाहिए कि सब लोग चौकीदार हैं। ऐसे चौकीदार होंगे तो देश और घर की रक्षा कहां से होगी?
पहले तो जो बहुरूपीय होते थे वो अपना रूप बदलकर, वेशभूषा बदलकर समाज के, देश के भोले भाले लोगों को लूटते थे, और आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग अपना नाम बदल करके देश की भोली भाली जनता को लूटने का काम कर रहे हैं।
Joins me on the phone line from Lucknow, Nilanshu. We've just heard of the tweet by Akhilesh. He's taken a sarcastic dig at the Prime Minister over his Chaukidar comment.
Well, this is absolutely right. Vedika, Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav has tweeted over this issue. He has said that this government has failed to fulfill the promises made to people, whether it is the problem of the job crisis. Nothing has been done by the government. We have also heard reaction coming in from Samajwadi Party spokesperson Sunil Yadav, who has clearly said that today the farmers' distress is increasing. The farmers are forced to guard their fields because of the stray cattle menace. He has also said that if BJP leaders were Chaukidar, then Vijay Mallya, Nirav Modi, Mehul Choksi would not have fled with the public money. So these are the allegations that the Samajwadi Party is raising. But all the BJP leaders in UP have changed their Twitter handle name. They have added the word Chaukidar with their names, including UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, Deputy Chief Minister Keshav Prasad Maurya, and also Dr. Dinesh Sharma. The BJP is saying that the opposition parties are trying to play dirty politics over this issue, and Prime Minister has served the nation. He has benefited people belonging to every section of the society.
All right, Nilanshu, thanks for joining me on the phone line.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.